In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Godaddy account. Whether you're managing your business's online presence, renewing domain registrations, or simply checking on your website's performance, logging into your Godaddy account is the first step. Let's walk through this process to ensure that you can access your account with ease. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Godaddy login page. So open up your favorite web browser and type in www.godaddy.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Sign In to Godaddy account. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your account details. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll have a few options here. You can use your username, customer ID, or your email address that's associated with your Godaddy account. Once you've entered one of these, it's time to type in your password in the field provided. Make sure you're entering it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check if you have your caps lock key on. If you have enabled two-step verification, you'll need to enter the code sent to your phone or email. This extra layer of security is an important feature that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. So keep an eye out for that code and enter it promptly. With all your information properly filled in, it's time to click the Sign In button. Once you do, you should be directed to your Godaddy dashboard. This is the command center for your account, where you can manage everything from your domain names to hosting and SSL settings. You'll also find options to manage your email accounts and other products you have with Godaddy. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few quick tips. In case you've forgotten your password, there's a simple solution. Just click on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. For those who are security conscious, make sure you enable two-step verification in your account settings if you haven't done so already. It provides an extra layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a code from your phone or email. Lastly, consider using the Godaddy mobile app available for both iOS and Android. It's a handy tool for faster logins and easier account management on the go. And there you have it. Logging into your Godaddy account is a straightforward process, but these steps will ensure you can do it with confidence and security. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.